Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix McDonald's app not showing card. Okay, first things first, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection as the McDonald's app relies on an online connection for food ordering. Try then refreshing the McDonald's app by closing it and reopening it. This simple step can often solve the problem. If refreshing the app didn't work, you can try clearing the app's cache. On Android devices, just go to Settings, Apps, McDonald's, Storage, and clear the cache. Make sure also that you are using the latest version of the McDonald's app. Outdated version can sometimes cause such issues. However, if the above methods don't work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This ensures that you have a fresh version with no corrupted files. After reinstalling, just log in and check if the card now appears. If none of the above method resolves the issue, you can then contact McDonald's app customer support. They may provide additional solutions or escalate the problem to their technical team. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix McDonald's app not showing card. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.